Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. Quick video po ulit tayo. Lot for sale, 240 square meters. Dito lamang po yan sa may Villa San Miguel, Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. Yung gate ng subdivision is along Molino Road. Napakalapit lamang nito sa SM Molino at sa Daang Hari. Meron din po itong shortcut na daan dito po sa may Villa Vieja at meron din po dito palabas na ng Bermosa. Likod lamang po ito ng Bermosa, napakaganda, napakalapit. This property is selling for as low as 15,000 per square meters. Pwede pong cash or through financing with cash. Maganda to, 240 square meters. Maganda yung cut ng kanyang lote at meron na po kayong katabing bahay and maganda yung location niya. Hindi pa crowded sa subdivision na ito. Meron ka pang province feel. Pwedeng-pwede ka dito magpatayo ng bahay o negosyo. So for viewing and inquiries, per pastor transaction, please direct messages at FB Messenger Sheila Medina Veronilla or contact us at Smart Viber 0908-8934078. Thank you for watching and keep safe always. Bye!